Hello everyone, this is me Satya here and I'm back with the bonus love reads. This reading is going to be for the sign of Sagittarius. The Sagittarius is one of the signs which got the most views for the last readings that I uploaded, which includes Sagittarius, Leo and Pisces and Scorpio. So yeah, this reading is going to be for the sign of Sagittarius and the topic of the reading is going to be, will they propose you? Whoever it is that you are dealing with, really want to know, will they ever propose to you? This reading is definitely going to find you the answer to that. We will also take message cards from your person. We will take oracle cards as well. We will also tap into their nature and energies as well. So stay tuned. And before I dive into the read, let me remind you, it's a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there. So always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal reads, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings. So Sagittarius, let's find out, will this person who you love and who you really believe that should propose you, will they do that? Yes or no? They would rather manifest a connection with you. They would rather manifest marriage proposal from you is what I'm picking up. It seems like this person is somebody who creates whatever they want. So if they love you, if they want something with you, they will make it happen. They will manifest it with you. They would choose the other way around to go about it. This person is somebody who is a control freak as well. Like they want to do things their way. So I feel like if they want to propose you, they would make you do that. This person is, like I said, they are magically manifester. Like they are magical manifester. Like they can get whatever they want. So they co-create whatever they wish for. Let's see more cards here. The Fool. Wow. This person is a magician. Like this person is somebody who can create anything that they want. Their energies are so pure, so light, so aligned with what they desire. Nothing in the world can stop them. If they want to get married to you, trust me, nothing in the world can stop them from getting that. They have all the support from the universe. They have all the support that they desire to get what they desire. It's more like the universe is helping them, guiding them, and they are so aligned that they just think and it will happen. So that's them. It seems like you are dealing with somebody who's like a magician, and they never fail in manifesting what they desire. Let's see more cards here. Five of Pentacles. The Empress. Yes, they are not going to take any action towards you. It seems like you will be the one taking action towards this person. If they believe that you are their soulmate, whether you're a girl, whether you're a guy, this person is going to make you take that effort or take that action towards them. This person, Anita, they do have Six of Pentacles. Yes, I feel like whatever they desire, they can have it with the help of divine. So again, if they choose to get married to you, they can make you propose them. If they want to propose you, they would easily do that and get a yes as an answer from you. So this person, if they are ready for it, if and when they are ready for it, and if and when they want it, trust me, nothing in the world can stop them from having you as their life partner. So I feel like and I do see that there is a strong possibility of you two ending up together, because that's what they wish for, that's what they want. So I feel like let's take two more cards here. Yes. Yes, they know the power of words and they use it very, very skillfully. So I feel like this person is going to get what they want with you. Let's take more cards about their nature or whatever the universe wants us to know about them. Let's see more messages. Let's see. This person is somebody who's very innovative, inspiring, wise, and theatrical. This person has leadership skills. Like I said, they are somebody who's a very control freak and somebody who's somebody who's very passionate as well. Let's see more cards. This person is somebody who who would not let you know what they truly want with you until and unless they are ready for it. Like, this person is going to hide their true self behind different things, behind different emotions. Like, for instance, if they love you, they might show their passionate side to you until and unless they're so sure that yes, you are the one that they want to be with, and they know that if they want, they can have you. So that's them. This person this person is not somebody who's very social. It's more like, they are very good with people, but yes, they choose not to be around or surrounded by lots of people. This person is somebody who's very much committed to their spiritual growth. So this person could be somebody who likes to spend some time alone to succeed, rather than wasting their time mingling with lots of people and getting their energy affected negatively. So yeah, let's see more cards here. Let's see what else do we have coming up for you. You deserve way better than this. This person could be maybe this person could be somebody who always make you feel like you deserve somebody better than this, because this person might not be giving into the connection until and unless they are ready for it. So I feel like, this is how they are. They hide behind those kind of emotions and make you feel unworthy at times. Karmic lesson, for some of you, you have to learn a karmic lesson with this person as well. Like, maybe for some of you, you would choose to walk away from this person. But again, like I said, if this person really wants to be with you, trust me, nothing in the world can stop them from coming back to you and get you as their life partner if that's what they want. Love, like luck is bestowed upon you. You are going to get a better things coming up for you in your love life, be that with this person or with somebody else. Attitude is everything. This person is somebody who's very egoistic as well. So let's see the message cards from your person. Let's see what do they want you to know. If you are dealing with an ex, let's see the messages from them. Nobody can ever love me like you do. I value you. This person really does value you, and nobody in this world can ever love them the way you love them. But again, until unless they are sure, they are not gonna get married to you. I still love you unconditionally. They love you unconditionally, but at the same time, maybe they are not ready for it. They are creating something else for themselves right now, and they want to be free for that. We will be together again. So they believe, maybe for, if you are dealing with an ex, they believe that you are going to be together again. Once they are ready, they are going to come back to you. I'm grateful for the spiritual lesson. They are somebody who is, like I told you, like this person really enjoys being alone. So they might be learning a few lessons, and once they are done, once they are ready, they will come forward. Let's see what else they want you to know. When the time is right, I am marrying you and only you. So that's them, like I told you. Be patient with me, please. So that's what they want. They really want you to be patient with them, and they would marry you if and only if they are ready for that kind of connection. So it seems like, they might not be ready as of now, but yes, once they are, they will marry you and only you. So that's pretty much it coming up for you for this read. If the reading resonated with you, do like, subscribe, and share. If you're willing to get a personal read, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. Till I do the next reading for you guys, take care. Bye-bye.